In this video, I'm sharing with you step-by-step guide how to comment with a picture on TikTok. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Now, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, the first thing you should do if you want to comment on TikTok with a picture, make sure that your app is up to date. You updated your TikTok app. After updating your TikTok app, or if it's up to date, go on and log into your TikTok account, find the post you would like to comment on and then press on comments. Now, the moment you go to comment section, look down here, make sure that you press on the picture icon. Make sure that you press on the picture icon right there, the image icon. Make sure that you press there, and then after pressing there, they will bring you to your gallery. Choose any photo of your choice you would like to comment with. Make sure that you choose any photo of your choice, just like that, and then press right there to add a comment. You can either send it without anything written on, or you can add a comment. And then after typing the comment, you're going to make sure that you press right here on send. Make sure that you press on send after adding a comment, and then the comment will look like that. So that's how you can comment with a picture on TikTok. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.